Hello everybody, have you guys been doing? Welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can clear your watch history on Crunchyroll. By watch history, if you do not know, just like in YouTube, you have watch history where every video which you just watched video is going to be stored if they're not downloaded, but like that video is going to be stored over there, like a portion of that video. So let's say like I watched a video over there, you guys can just see. Let me just open YouTube to show you guys what an example. So for an example, let me just open any random video on YouTube over here. So I'm just going to open a random video over here real quick. So I open this video over here. I'm just gonna close it. So I watch this video, I need to watch like some bit of this video. So let me just play it. So I watched this video and I can just go on YouTube's watch history over here. And it's gonna show me the recent video which I just watched, which is this over here, as you guys can see. So just like in this Crunchyroll, without showing that, so let me show you how we guys can clear that setup, become brand new, so no one can know like what you just watched. Follow the step. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. First step, you click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. For this you need to come to Crunchyroll. Log in into your account first. Alright, once you do that, here's going to be history. Click on history. Once you go in history, make sure you're on the history tab and click on clear history. Click on clear history, all of your viewing history has been clear. So it says what history has been cleared. So yeah, that's basically how we got some clear watch history on Crunchyroll. So if you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.